How to enable or disable hide contacts without numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button. Then from the menu, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Other Call Settings. Next, at the top, tap on Hide Contacts without numbers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. That is how you can turn it on or turn it off. Hide contacts without numbers. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.